Okay peeps, I'm back here again. No school today because of the nor'easter we're getting. Hard to believe, 2 days ago, all that was all ice. Now it's all water. Well, there's an ice pack moving in too. The tide's coming back in. Let's zoom in by the bridge, you'll see it. So the ice is moving in. That's probably all the ice that left this morning. But like I said, believe it or not, they used to be all ice. All those birds, all those geese, all those ducks, sure gonna love the water now. If not, they're crazy enough to stay, because we're supposed to get snow after now. You gotta love this crazy East Coast weather for you guys all. And if the tide keeps coming in, maybe we'll have one of those cool high tides there. So I'm going to turn this off and cruise around town. Got the kids with me. So, mosey on.
You can walk or strip at the side. All you need is soap.
I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I'm on the Richibucto wharf. I thought I'd come down here real quick to check out. See, the water is right there. Right where the drain holes are. In the summertime, this is all busy, busy, busy. I'm gonna take a ride over here. Somebody else is parked here. I'll go right around them. There we go. Woo! Windy. And it's all lovely ice on this side. Right on the inside of Richibucto Wharf. But that ice is pretty high. If the tide comes in anymore, that freaking ice is going to come right over the wharf.